All right, let's go ahead and transition over to our forecast. We've seen an actually really nice afternoon and evening. I mean, early in the early morning hours, we saw a lot of heavy rain pushing through the region. But take a look at our Beckley camera. We're seeing clear skies for the most part. It's a wonderful afternoon to go look at that sunset if you don't have any plans already. Now, yesterday at Beckley camera was shaking because our wind gusts were pushing 30 to 40 miles per hour in some spots. Now, wind gusts have definitely calmed down a lot from yesterday. We're seeing wind gusts down to about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Still a little gusty, but definitely not what we had yesterday. We actually saw a lot of power outages from these wind gusts, especially up towards the Beckley area. Wind gusts knocking out power across those regions. Now, looking at the amount of rainfall we saw last night for over the last 24 hours and into the early morning hours of Sunday, Anstead really put up at the top of the charts there, close to over an inch of rainfall. So same thing with Oceana there, over an inch of rainfall. Beckley close to an inch of rainfall there, and really even Bluefield, West Virginia getting close to an inch of rainfall. If you really look at our precipitation totals for the month of October, it just adds on to the above average rainfall we're already seeing across our region. And this is the type of month we needed to really help us bring some relief from this drought. We saw some relief from this drought on Thursday. We're no longer in that severe category, but we are still abnormally dry and moderately dry across the region, so we could still use some more relief from that drought. Now, looking at our satellite and radar, we're not going to be seeing any rain into the evening or overnight tonight. We're going to stay mostly clear. You pull this out, you can see that cold front that passed us is just to our east now. High pressure now settling in, which is actually going to cause that sinking air, causing for much relief as we go through the rest of the evening into the overnight hours. Now, we actually became really seasonable this afternoon. We saw the sun come out. It warmed us up into the mid to upper 60s. Pineville getting up to 72. Current temperatures now right in the low to mid 60s. But I want to show this shot from Melissa Begg. She got this picture from Spanisburg, West Virginia. Took advantage of the clearing skies as we head into the afternoon hours today. Look how beautiful this is. You can see the leaves down there on the ground and then the fall colors there. Just a gorgeous shot. Thanks for sending that in, Melissa. Now let's go ahead and set up going into this week. We'll see clear skies for the most part Monday and Tuesday, but we're going to stay mild. Temperatures a little above average. We'll get unsettled weather as we go into midweek, and then much cooler air on the way as we get into the weekend. Looking at our future cast, overnight tonight, we're going to stay mostly clear. We'll start to build in a few clouds. We'll still be drying things out. Could even see some fog as you're waking up tomorrow morning. Temperatures dropping in the mid-40s. Overnight, for the most part, we're still drying out. Patchy fog in some spots. We'll call it 45 degrees. Just picking up tomorrow morning. Temperatures tomorrow after lunchtime getting into the low to mid-60s. Look at how warm we get tomorrow. Temperatures trying to push towards the upper 60s. And then really overnight tomorrow night, temperatures very mild. We won't even fall out of the 50s tomorrow night. So just to recap, looking at your Monday, we'll see temperatures right around 66 degrees. A few clouds to start. A little bit of fog in the morning as well. Mostly sunny, very mild. And then as we go into midweek, we become a little unsettled, bringing a few rain showers. But something I want to point out as we go into the 7-day forecast, look at Saturday and Sunday. Next weekend, we get a little chilly. Temperatures getting back into the 40s. Can you see some overnight lows near the 20s?
Ooh, yeah, and that rain on Halloween chance bumped up 10% since yesterday.
So hopefully it doesn't ruin any Halloween trick-or-treating plans.
All right. Okay,